This is a new one for me. This is one for the history books. Gosh, I hope this doesn't get me banned from YouTube. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Midwest Picker here. My name is Dave. I'm a full-time RN, full-time father, husband, part-time reseller. This is a new one for me. This is one for the history books. Gosh, I hope this doesn't get me banned from YouTube. So welcome to the channel. So I did a little research. I don't know why. I hit Google. I was looking up Lego, certain sets, what's hot, what's not. And I came across this YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Josh Builds Stuff. So I have to give credit to this guy, Josh, on YouTube, who enlightened me to this fact. So Lego put out this set, 31229 Majestic Tiger, that's anatomically correct, that features, you guessed it, a big pink butthole. I don't know why. The word is that the designer is from another country, not from the United States, and I don't know. I don't think Lego has ever released a building set of a living creature, human or animal, with an actual anus, but they did this time. So I'm going to talk about this set, and I'm going to talk about why I bought some, and we're going to get into it. Well, we're not going to get into that, but we're going to get into the subject. So I do like weird. There's nothing wrong with weird. Weird is not boring. So my wife, Mrs. Midwest, she bought me a few t-shirts for my birthday recently. My last video featured one of them. I can't find the one she just got me, but it's got a slee stack on it, and I'll put a picture of it up here. She doesn't have my affinity or taste for weird, but she does support me, so that's really cool. So I love that t-shirt. I was going to wear it tonight, but I can't find it. When I bid on high bid, I always bid on the weird stuff, like the scary old dolls from the 1800s. I won these three handsome guys. I'll put a picture up. Super detailed, really cool. They're so cool, they're hanging on the wall in my eBay office. I don't have the heart to sell them, so I'm keeping it. So when it comes to anything weird or odd, I am not afraid to look at it, to buy it, to consider it, to resell it. The weirder the better. So Lego is right up my alley with this set. It's really weird. So let's talk about it. Majestic Tiger, released early 2022, set 31129, 755 pieces. Very handsome yellow box. I've got one right here and on the big screen, but here we go, folks. It's right here if you can find it. Hot item. So yes, it's kind of an anatomically correct tiger. It's a really cool tiger. It's articulated and posable, and it's really cool. And check out Josh's YouTube video of this Majestic Tiger. He does a very good breakdown of it. Some people are claiming that Lego didn't do this, and that people are taking liberties, and they're adding a little pink flower where it's not supposed to be. I'm going to prove them wrong. And just as a side note, heaven forbid that Lego releases a building set of a baboon. I mean, that would be way over the top. Pink, purple, and red. No, let's not even go there. So this set is what it is. They don't say in the instructions anus or butthole or rectum. They don't say that. They don't say parts. They don't even use words hardly at all. But there are instructions, and let's go over them right now to prove people wrong that this was not intentional. It was intentional. So I give you page 72 of the instructions right there. Obvious. Next is page 73 of the instructions. Page 86 of the instructions. And boom, page 104 of the instructions. Now there you have it. It's right in the instructions. It's recommended, or that's how you build the official model of the Majestic Tiger. I'm sure you could just not put the butthole on there if you didn't want to, but they recommend that you do.
You can take me, but you cannot take my board.
So after watching Josh's video, of course I had to buy a set, either to resell or to keep, because I like weird, right? And this is, I think, a first for Lego. It kind of hit the market and nobody really paid much attention to it, and now it's getting a lot of attention. So I went online, of course, lego.com, and it's sold out. So that's kind of a good sign for resellers. So then I went to eBay, and the prices are all over the place. So I looked at solds. Solds right now are anywhere from $64 to $99. But if this set gets a lot of negative attention, Lego might recall the set and maybe reissue it later without the hole, or the instructions for the hole, or take the pink butthole out of, I don't know, I can't believe I'm even talking about this, but this is called speculation. So if you feel a Lego set is going to hold value and be more valuable in the future, especially once it's discontinued, demand is still high, people will buy sets and then put them aside for 6 months or 2 or 3 years. And when the set is sold out and Lego no longer makes those sets, the prices almost always go up. So I drove around and went to 5 different brick and mortar stores. They were all sold out. So I could not find this set. That's a good sign. It's in high demand, very popular. I went to a Walmart. I'm not going to tell you which Walmart. They had 4 sets. Awesome. So I bought 2, and I left 2 for somebody else. I ain't greedy. When it comes to buttholes, I am not greedy. I only took 2. So that's the video, guys. This is the set right here. It's on the big screen behind me. Good luck trying to find it. Should you buy one? Should you not? Should you buy 10 of them? I don't know. It's hard to say. But as this gets more and more attention, it's going to go up and up in value. So if you like retail arbitrage, if you like speculating, some people make a living buying these Lego sets the day they come out, whether it's lego.com or somewhere else, and they buy 5, 6, 7 sets, as many as they can find, Star Wars and Harry Potter and Minecraft and Super Mario, whatever, and just stash them aside. Wait for them to be discontinued, wait for Lego to cease production, and then the prices almost always go up. Now you're paying full retail to flip it for twice as much, 3 times as much, so it's kind of dangerous. It is speculating. You're not going to find a sealed new Lego set in the wild very often. Maybe a garage sale, maybe. I doubt it, but if you do, awesome. If you're in the wild and you see a Lego set that's vintage, say it's 20 years old, go ahead and buy it even if it's not sealed, because there's replacement parts. So if you see a Lego set from 1993 or 1985, those have a lot of value. Just go ahead and buy it. Don't worry if there's missing parts. If you can get it for $1 or $2, you can always part it out and sell it. That's a great way to make money on the side. So guys, I know this is a weird video, but if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Put down in the comment section, would you invest $49.99 in this set just to put it aside, or would you keep it? Now I have 2. I might sell one and I might keep one. So I shelled out $100 plus tax on top, and I'm just going to set them aside. But put down in the comments, am I crazy? Is speculating nuts? Do you think Lego's going to recall this? Do you think Lego doesn't care? Put down in the comments too, is this really a butthole? Was this a mistake? It's in the instructions. I mean, it's got to be right. So thanks for watching, guys. Normally I do what's sold on eBay videos and sourcing videos. I guess this is kind of a butthole sourcing video. I don't know. I'm gonna just put this caboose to bed. I am done doing this video. Thanks for being here, guys. Hit that share button too if you know anybody that's a fan of Lego, either in investment or as a collector. Share my video with them and let them know this is a hot button item, so maybe they can go out and find it before they disappear. I don't know, they're really hard to find. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.